Hi, Frank McGuire here with Listing Domination and LDTV, and today we have Dr. Zander with us. Dr. Zander is with Westend Dental in the Lincoln Park section of Chicago, and the topic today is going to be how you can benefit from sedation dentistry in the Chicago, Illinois area. Dr. Zander, how are you?
Good, Frank. How you doing?
I'm doing excellent today. Thanks for being with us today. And Dr. Zander, let me ask you something. With Chicago being such a large city and people moving into Chicago and transplanting into Chicago and looking for a new a dentist or a sedation dentist, what are some tips they could go through for someone new to the area in finding a great dentist to do their sedation dentistry?
It's a great question, Frank. You know, you're right. Chicago is a big place, and so the best way to go about getting a qualified dental experience is to do your homework. Ask around. Co-workers, friends, neighbors. Ask for a referral of who's got a good reputation, who's got some experience doing some sedation dentistry. Go online. Ask for a consultation. Once you've identified that that's a service that an office like ourselves can offer, go in and meet the folks and find out what it's all about.
That's great, and make sure they're accredited too. Correct?
Absolutely. Many hours of training goes into being able to provide a level of comfort and sedation for your patients so that you can create a safe environment. So yes, and that's exactly what we do. We've gone multiple seminars, and we've implemented these types of programs and protocols into our practice to make things work really well for a variety of patients.
Sure. So if someone's new to the area and they're looking for a sedation dentist, how should they go about that?
Well, again, make sure that they've got a good reputation, that they've got experience providing that level of treatment. Make certain that they're accredited, and again, best ways, knee to knee, face to face, and go in and talk to the dental care providers, and make sure that you feel comfortable with them being able to provide you with an outstanding service.
So, Dr. Zander, you guys are down in the Lincoln Park area. If someone's to come to your office for the first time, what type of experience would they get walking through the door?
Well, certainly a friendly, warm reception right from the moment you walk in. We pride ourselves in having a family-type atmosphere here at Westend Dental, and we utilize the latest in technology to do what's called co-diagnosis. Co-diagnosis is us kind of finding out what are your specific needs along with what you see with photographs, digital x-rays, those types of things. It's an ease of service here at Westend Dental, all the way from scheduling same-day treatment, being seen on an emergency basis, to filling your online patient forms out before you get here. We've got convenient hours from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday, and we have Saturday hours as well. So we've got 3 dentists on staff, 5 or 6 hygienists, depending on the day. It's a great experience.
That's great service. As I'm used to, doing interviews from time to time, a lot of dentists are only working 3 or 4 days a week. That's nice that you're offering 5 days a week and also Saturdays. So, Dr. Zander, on my screen here, I have a number where people can contact you and new patients. I'm sure you always have new patient specials. We don't want to date this video because you're changing them all the time, but someone should go onto your website and take a look at those specials, or they can call the number here.
Yep.
Okay, excellent. So,
absolutely, Frank.
I want to thank you for spending the time with us today. Is there anything additional you'd like to say to the folks out here? This video will be online, on YouTube. Okay, thanks, and we're going to end the broadcast right there.